So hey everyone, Motorola finally unveiled the long-rumored Motorola Frontier, the Moto X30 Pro, after several months of anticipation. The device was released as the first 200-megapixel camera smartphone in China. We were all aware that it would only be a matter of time before the device hit the international markets. Well, it appears to be happening sooner than anticipated. A global news conference by Motorola has been formally scheduled for September 8th. The company will unveil 3 new smartphones during the conference. Based on the credible reports, we anticipate the arrival of the Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, Motorola Edge 30 Fusion and the third smartphone, the Moto Edge 30 Neo, according to rumors. When it comes to the big star of the show, the Motorola Edge 30 Ultra will likely steal the show. For the second half of 2022, it will serve as Motorola's super flagship phone. The phone is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC. The 200-megapixel camera, however, is the most notable feature. In spite of the fact that several smartphones are already equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, the Edge 30 Ultra is still the only one with a 200-megapixel camera. If Motorola wants to leverage the 200-megapixel camera for marketing, they must work rapidly. After all, Xiaomi will soon release the Xiaomi X30 Pro, which is anticipated to include the same 200-megapixel camera. For those who are unaware, Motorola utilizes the 200-megapixel Samsung HP1 camera. It offers 8K ultra clear video recording and has a 1x1.22 inches ultra large sensor. Speaking about the other key specifications, the Motorola Edge 30 Ultra additionally includes a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera that also functions as the macro camera. A 60-megapixel front-facing camera and a 12-megapixel 2x telephoto camera are also included. It also comes with a 6.7 inches flexible OLED screen with a 144Hz refresh rate. The Edge 30 Ultra has a 4610 mAh battery, which will give it long battery life. The 125-watt charging method will also help it charge more quickly. Additionally, it offers 10-watt reverse charging technology and 50-watt wireless charging. It appears that Motorola won't be releasing the new RAZR 2022 to international markets, or at the very least not at this specific September event. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 will meanwhile have more enough time to dominate this market. So the most intriguing question now is what the cost will be. At this time, there is no specific pricing numbers. Of course, there will be ups and downs in lines with the countries and their taxes. So what do you think about this Motorola Edge 30 Ultra? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.